Oh, hello, this is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. I cooked this dish the other night, and it only took me about 3 minutes. I have cooked this Huyang egg dish many times in the past in different versions. Cooking this dish is like a construction project. You lay different layers of ingredients on top of each other. Sometimes you put them together, but sometimes you put them in different times to create the type of texture that you want. When you use different ingredients to the same template, you will adjust the order accordingly. In fact, this dish is a great demonstration for me to show you how to make this adjustment to create the type of the dish that you want. For those of you who are new to my YouTube channel, I'm using my Cuisinart 14-inch stainless steel wok. I use my spot seasoning method to season the wok. To cook this dish, the wok has to be well seasoned so the egg will not stick to the bottom of the wok. I'm going to use 6 eggs to make this dish. Before I beat up the egg, I added some seasoning from my masala dabur. I added a little bit of almost everything, but the main ingredients that I use is some mushroom seasoning. Of course, you can season the dish whatever way that you like. And next, I'm going to add a mixture of frozen corn and frozen edamame. The nice thing about this method is that you can take the frozen vegetable directly from the freezer to the wok. Next, I add the cherry tomatoes that has been sliced in half. You notice that I add these items very quickly because the frozen vegetables need time to be warmed up. As you can see, the eggs cook really quickly. Next, I'm going to add some scallion. A scallion will help to garnish the dish to give it a little bit of onion flavor. If you don't like scallion or if you don't have scallion on hand, you can omit this. I always have some scallion prepped during each of my advanced prepping because they really has a lot of flavor and color that you can add to a dish. Cooking this dish is like a cross between a scrambled egg and an egg omelette. As you can see, I continue to fold the egg over the ingredients. As you can see, the egg does not stick to the bottom of the wok, and that makes cooking this dish much easier. Otherwise, you're going to make a mess. There are several ways to cook these eggs to achieve the desired texture. As you can see right now, the eggs are quite runny, and actually this is the way how I like them. With this runny texture, the egg actually mixes really well with rice. With the egg coating the rice, it gives the rice a smooth, almost creamy texture. However, some people like the eggs cooked more firmly. Then in this case, you cook the egg for a longer period of time. One wonderful thing about stir fry is that you can really control the texture of the ingredients. A few more stir, the egg is almost done. This egg actually comes from our neighbor's son. He has been raising chickens, and these eggs come from his chicken. I find that his egg tastes better than the commercially available eggs. Furthermore, his egg has this beautiful bright yellow color. This dish also has great nutritional value with the edamame in it. And I really like the sweet corn in this dish because it provides some sweetness. Of course, I also enjoy the texture of the sweet corn. Again, this dish is very fast and it makes actually a pretty good meal. I also really enjoy having the tomato in the dish because it adds a great deal of flavor to the dish in addition to the color. It is this kind of dish that makes home cooking feasible. I always call this kind of dish the sure bet dish because you could not go wrong with them. This dish definitely is excellent for using frozen vegetables. I also discovered in this dish you really do not need to add a whole lot of tomato. Just a little bit will give the kind of variations that you are looking for. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click like, subscribe and share. I'll see you next time.